Hi, and welcome back to another video by the Digital Dump. Today we're going to be talking about Git and GitHub. As you can see over here, Git and GitHub allow for collaboration amongst teams, which is especially essential when it comes to working remotely and being able to work on top of each other's work and make suggestions without having the fear of overwriting someone else's work or losing or making changes which are not irreversible or losing previous changes. Now, how Git and GitHub allow teams to make changes or collaborate on files is, for example, let's add a file here. Let's create a new file. And let's call this file project1 or project collaboration. So now let's say that I want to say, let's make the main colors of the website. Let's work on a website or of software actually, blue and green. So let's say I make this. This is like, this could be code, this could be information, collaboration. So we're gonna create project collaboration, and I'm gonna commit it, instead of committing it to the main branch, which would mean that it would really just make the change automatically. I'm gonna create a new branch for this commit and start a pull request. So it's gonna be this ensures that if someone else is also working on the same project file, an authorized user or a team manager first has to ensure that has to approve this change before it is put on the main branch. So we're going to see an example of that. So create a new branch for this commit or this change. So let's propose this new file and create a pull request. Now, since I am also the project manager for this specific project, I am the one who will be able to see if there's any conflict with the base branch and the suggestion made, and there aren't any, so I have the authority to merge this pull request and confirm this merge. And that's done, the change has been made. Now another feature of GitHub and Git is that you also have a desktop version that you can download so you can work locally instead of on the browser. So let me pull up the desktop version here, and now I'm going to sync what's happening on the cloud with my local desktop version here. And we're going to go to patch 2. All right, so now it's been fetched. I want to show in Explorer, and you see project collaboration is here within my local files. Now let's say I'm working remotely, I don't have internet, so over here what I can do is, actually I would prefer blue and beige, for example, and then save that. And once that's saved, you can see that these are the changes I've made, and I'm good with that. So project collaboration change, or v2 color change, and we commit it to the patch. So now I want to push my the changes I've suggested to the main GitHub. That's pushing to origin. And now let's create a pull request so we can ask the team manager if they would like to merge this. So create a pull request. And now as the team manager, for example, I can see that there is no conflicts and I like this merge. So I'm going to merge the pull request, confirm the merge. And now when I go to my code, I go to project collaboration, you can see that the change has been made over here. So that's essentially how Git and GitHub work together to ensure effective collaboration. A variety of people can make changes online, offline, but it's also easy to manage those projects and manage those changes so that there's no issues or overwrites or unnecessary changes which could be detrimental.